While the world touches 60 million confirmed infections of COVID-19 with almost 1.5 million deaths, the need for vaccine has tremendously increased. In this video, we will be discussing how the coronavirus vaccine works in your body and how it is developed in laboratory in just few minutes. Hello friends, my name is Nishant. You are watching The Third Angle and here we go. In a typical vaccine, scientists inactivate a virus using chemicals and inject it into the body. Immune system recognizes it as antigen and antibodies kill it. But how can the antibodies in your body can respond to a virus which they have never seen? Well, here is the answer that scientists found. Coronavirus vaccine works on rapid response platform. Instead of injecting antigens, these vaccines use the part of genetic code from the virus called RNA or DNA. They work as instruction manual for the cells so that our body cells can produce antigen proteins that are similar to those made by coronavirus. Your immune system then will be stimulated and develop the antibodies to the virus, so when you see it again, you can immediately recognize the virus and prevent you from the infection. By conventional method, it takes 10 to 20 years for a vaccine to reach the market. But with the rapid response approach, estimated availability is 12 to 18 months. This is a huge time cut. If successful, it will be the fastest developed vaccine in the human history. Vaccine development involves 3 stages: exploratory, preclinical, and clinical. Exploratory stage involves the identification of virus or antigen. Preclinical stage tests it on the animals for safety and immunogenesis. In clinical stage, vaccine is tested on humans. Clinical development again has 3 phases. In phase 1, vaccine is tested on few dozen of people for vaccine safety with 2 main objectives: to test the side effects and to estimate the proper dose of vaccine. A lower dose cannot produce effective response from the immune system, while a too high dose can produce unwanted side effects. Therefore, a proper dose is really important. Phase 2 test for the effectiveness of the vaccine, that whether this dose produces the sufficient immune response on a few hundred people. Phase 3 test effectiveness on few thousand people to see whether the vaccine can reduce the disease circulating in real world. If passed all the 3 phases, vaccine is approved for the distribution to the population. Today, there are 164 candidate COVID-19 vaccines in the preclinical evolution, 48 in the clinical evolution, of which 11 are going phase 3 efficiency testing. This was all about the working and development of a COVID-19 vaccine. A good news is, we have just hit the 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you like the video, please share it, and if you haven't yet, abhi tak, ataparenta, subscribe the channel, press the subscribe button for more informative and some analytical videos from verified sources. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned with The Third Angle.